Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with another video for you guys. This video will be teaching the children preposition where things are located. So this could be for a pre-K, a 4-year-old, a kindergartner, a first grader, even a second grader who's struggling understanding preposition or speak a second language that they need that vocabulary word. Yes, vocabulary word is very important for kids that's in school because just because your child speaks English doesn't mean they have good vocabulary skills. So that will help them improving their vocabulary. Allô, parents, yo, c'est Miss Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une autre vidéo. Côté Timoun yo, pral qu'on apprend préposition. Préposition, c'est côté bagay ou ka jwen non bagay en l'air, en bas, ce côté. So, c'est ça en préposition ye. So nous pral gade parce que ti moun yo parle anglais, pa vle di que yo gen de mots yo pa konnen. So la vidéo ça ap ede ti moun yo improve vocabulaire yo, ki jan pou yo avancer vers l'avant dans vocabulaire yo. So boys and girls, let's get going. We're going to learn where is the dog, okay? So you're going to learn about preposition, where things are located. So let's go. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is on the table. Where's the dog? On the table. Where is the dog? Where is the dog now? The dog is under the table. Under. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is in the box. The dog is in the box. Yes. Where is the dog now? Where do you see the dog? What's in front of the dog? What's behind the dog? So where's the dog? So the box is in the front of the dog. The table is behind the dog. So where's the dog? The dog is between the box and the table. Or you could say the dog is in the middle between you would say between the table and the box, or in the middle between the box and the table. Thank you for watching. So this will help you knowing the different direction. They are called preposition. Parents, you can get different things for the kids and put it around the house and have the children identify the different preposition. OK? Par mieux, nous devons choisir plusieurs bagages côté nous montrer timoun yo préposition. Donc, on prend un gobelet, on met sous table, on demande timoun nan, côté le gobelet. Donc, on prend un gobelet, on met en bas table, on met le côté le. Et puis, utiliser mots que nous usons comme ça pour timoun yo habitué avec moi. Mais c'est tout ça me gain pour nous. Pas oublier subscribe, pas oublier voyer message pour moi comme ça pour me faire l'autre vidéo pour nous. So don't forget to subscribe, parents, and remember, use the same words that we're using in the video, and then you could play a little game with the kids, saying, where is the cup? Where's the crayon? Is it inside? Is it outside? Is it under? So you could use the same words so they could remember the vocabulary words. Okay, that's all, parents, and have a wonderful, blessed day.